What is up? It's your boy the Knologist. We're back with another code study Sesh and OSRS AFK training. Here on the JSON chapter, let's go HTTP client. So far you've probably been using a browser to test your server. That works fine with simple GET requests. The kind of request a browser sends when you type a URL into the address bar, but it's not very useful for any other HTTP methods with custom headers and bodies. Debugging your endpoints. Servers are built to be used by clients. Develop your code. You should be using a tool that makes sending one-off requests easy. Okay, so we got REST client for VS Code, Postman, which is a pretty common one. Curl, also another popular one. Okay, Postman for VS Code and Postman on its own. Okay, so that's like pretty much Postman and Curl are the more popular ones. Whichever client you like. So which browser is not good at testing post? Because GET requests are common. Okay, let's go to the next one. JSON, also known as JavaScript Object Notation. What you may be new to is handling and parsing JSON on the server side. Okay. If you want to take a super deep dive into JSON in Go, you can read it here. Is this Ultimate Guide to JSON? Check this out, definitely, if you guys have time. It's all free on Lane's site. But so far I've only been authorized to just make content on the course. His blog's his own separate thing. decode the JSON request body. It's very common for post requests to send JSON data in the request body. Here's how you can handle incoming data. Now the handler. Just go type handler, func handler. HTTP response writer, and then R. Parameter struct, and I guess this is how the mapping occurs. You tell it how to map to an object, a JSON object of sorts. Okay, so it's gonna be name string. Decoder. What is this? Decoder. JSON new decoder. Params. Okay, let's get another batch of steel bars because we're going till 65. I'm almost at 64. I spent about like 3.5 mil on the steel bars, so I should at least double my money. So I should have 7 mil worth of cannonballs by the time I'm done this. I'm like slightly falling asleep. So new decoder decode handler primary struct name string. Okay, so we map it here. Tags indicate how the keys. JSON should be mapped to the struct fields. Fields must be exported and updated. Okay, I'm just gonna log printf. Error decoding parameter. I'm like falling asleep. So let's finish up the notes here and then we'll call it a day. And this is the reality because I'm showing you guys the uncut. Okay, so I basically noted down this whole thing, and then we have to note the encoding, and then go through these other notes and tips. So we'll cover that in the next video. For now, I'm gonna be honest, I need to rest. Because yeah, I've been sleeping a lot the last few days, so it's time to catch up. But it's gonna be the weekend soon, so I'm gonna be hitting out a bunch more content videos. Once I hit level 65, I'll have more quest content for you guys, so stay tuned. We're gonna complete the rest of these JSON course chapter. So there's JSON, review the profane. So it's like, okay, there's a bunch of different resources, and we're gonna get to it. So until then, keep studying. Peace. Just out. Like, comment, subscribe, and do that for all the other videos.